10. The details in paragraph 3 about cognitive offloading convey a central idea of the passage by suggesting that the reliance on the internet for information is inevitable. Inevitable? That's kind of extreme. We'd have to check that. Demonstrating how the methods used to store and find information have changed over time. The whole passage was about storing and finding information and how it's changed since the internet. This could be reasonable. Explaining how encyclopedias and the internet are similar sources of information. Well, that might be true, but that is not a central idea of the passage, which is part of the question requirement. H, implying that more information can be understood now than ever before. More understood now, more filed away now, not necessarily understood. Let's go back to paragraph 3. Let's just check our source information. So paragraph 3 was after we introduced the idea that people are using different resources like the internet, and then scientists begin to study it. We got our first study that showed that more people rely on the internet when they can than not. And then the next paragraph, paragraph 3, shows an increasing inclination to rely on the internet, and they call this cognitive offloading. And a writer talks about it. He says in the past people use sources like the encyclopedia. However, today they use the internet. And he says basically it frees people up to do cognitive feats, connecting data, learning new information, or solving problems. So, okay, let's go back to 10. Suggesting that the reliance on the internet for information is inevitable. No, it never said inevitable, right? It said it used to be an encyclopedia, and today it's the internet. Implying that more information can be understood now than ever before. Well, it didn't really say that. I mean, cognitive offloading does free us up to do higher, smarter problem solving rather than just memorization. But it doesn't say now more than ever before. This is a comparison that's not really there. So we have a lot of typical wrong answers that are comparisons that aren't exactly made in the passage. So I don't think that's right. F, demonstrating how the methods used to store and find information. Yeah, encyclopedias and today the internet have changed over time. Well, it did change from the encyclopedia to the internet. That's exactly the right answer. The answer for 10 is F.